through the European Union market in a deal signed by the government and the European Union. Under the Interim Economic Partnership Agreement, Kenya will be granted duty-free and quota-free access to the EU market for all its exports, including commodities such as coffee, flowers and minerals. In return, Kenya will gradually open its market to more imports from the European Union.
A further achievement of the negotiated agreement is that it anchors Kenya as a natural hub for European companies seeking markets in the EAC, COMESA, and SADC, and eventually to the Africa Continental Free Trade Area. By locating your investment in Kenya, you will gain market access to the rest of the African continent. And I am pleased that we are doing this at a time when we are also advancing the implementation of the Global Gateway Africa Europe Investment Package, which was announced at the 6th EU-AU Summit in February. It will promote trade and investment accompanied by trade-related development cooperation, thereby further deepening the economic ties between EU, Kenya, boosting sustainable economic growth, and enabling us to create more jobs. It will also provide new opportunities for Kenyan and European businesses, including those in the micro, small, and medium enterprise space. Even though the negotiations are now concluded, it is important to note that the chief negotiators will now lead their teams in finalizing the text and proceed to initiate the procedures that culminate in ratification and eventually entry into force of the agreement. I call upon them to move with speed, the same speed. Maybe you can accelerate a bit so that this agreement can be implemented beginning next year. This agreement just sets the stage for finally bringing the East African Community partner states into the agreement. And I have also issued instructions to Moses that, and I want to commit to our EU friends that by you signing this agreement with Kenya, we also commit